Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll first make sure your 16 Pro is ready. Update iOS and connect power if needed. This avoids interruptions. Sign into iCloud so Apple Intelligence can access synced data like contacts and notes. Once done, go straight into Settings, find Apple Intelligence and enable the main toggles. Grant permissions for Siri, notifications, and app access when prompted. This initial setup lets the assistant learn your context. It's the only way complex features will work reliably on your device. Now you refine how Apple Intelligence behaves. Open the Intelligence settings and customize suggestions, summaries, and proactive shortcuts to match your workflow. This controls when and how it surfaces help. Next, enable integrations for Mail, Messages, Safari, and any supported third-party apps so Intelligence can read context and offer actions. Make sure to set privacy controls, limit data types, and prefer on-device processing where possible. That balance keeps personalized results while minimizing data sent to servers. It also finish by practicing key features so you know when to rely on them. Ask Apple Intelligence to summarize long emails, compose replies, or propose calendar actions. Use clear prompts and then tweak settings if output feels off. If features don't appear or responses stall, restart the phone and recheck permissions in settings. Make sure network is stable. Then, if problems persist, reset Apple Intelligence settings or sign out of iCloud and sign back in. That often resolves sync or permission conflicts and restores full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.